Are you having fun, Wyatt? Yep, we're walking through the forest. It's like I got a Mega Man arm. Look how tall these trees are, Jackson.
Hold on, buddy.
I feel like you're falling behind. Deer.
It's called a trail.
Are you done for the day? We just started. We just started, buddy. Don't you want to go swimming? You're a cowboy? Can you tell me the horse names? What's Jackson's horse? You forgot after a few seconds. Is yours named Bad Goblin? Zoe the Power Ranger?
Blue Ranger.
Blue Ranger? His name's Blue Ranger now.
No, it isn't. I just called Blue Ranger. I'm just gonna call him. No, it's like the Blue Power Ranger. It's like the Blue Power Ranger, but it's not.
Did you have fun, Jackson? You like horse riding? Did you have fun, Wyatt? Did you have fun, Zach? No. Ranger says, I guess. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.